Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to make smooth slow motion video on Capcut. So first of all, launch Capcut app on your mobile devices. Now from here, tap on the category of new video. Now after you have chosen a video from your gallery, tap on the video. Now over here at the bottom right, you'll see the option of speed. Tap on it. Now over here, if you have subscribed to Capcut Premium, you can use this option of curve. Tap on it. From here, you can see various options from here. Choose any one of it. I'm going to choose this first one. Now you can tap on this option of edit on this specific filter. Now over here, you can also tap on the option of smooth slow-mo, and you can choose faster process or better quality. I'm going to choose better quality. Now tap on the done option at the bottom right. Now let's wait for some time. Now you can play the video. With that, you will successfully be able to apply smooth slow motion to your Capcut videos. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.